We'll begin by removing all the panels off the rear hatch. You might need to use some panel removal tools to help you out. Be sure to disconnect this wiring harness before removing the panel. Next, remove all the 10mm fasteners, retaining this trim piece. You'll need to disconnect the camera wiring harness, as shown here, before removing the trim piece that retains the camera. Find the number 21 template in your kit, mark and drill the hole on the camera housing as shown. Be sure the 16-inch thick O-ring is on the nozzle before putting the nozzle in the hole you just drilled. Retain the nozzle by securing it with a nut provided in your kit. Drill a hole in the rubber grommet as shown, and pull the one end of the hose through the grommet as shown. Be sure to pull enough through so that you can reach the nozzle that you just installed. Start to put the trim piece back on the vehicle, and be sure the hose doesn't interfere with any of the fasteners. Reinsert the grommet, and click the trim piece back into place. Be sure to put in all the 10mm fasteners you previously took out. Next, we're going to cut the line about 6 to 12 inches away from the camera and insert the check valve found in your kit with the arrow facing towards the camera. Once you've done that, locate the OEM wiper fluid line in the back and cut that to insert the T-fitting that we've provided in your kit. Route the rest of the hose down the side of the hatch as shown. Be sure to reconnect any of the disconnected wiring harnesses. Start reassembling the panels that were previously taken off. Begin with the largest panel first, and follow that with the two side panels. Do not put the last panel on yet, as we're going to drill a hole through that with the step drill. Route the hose through that hole and put the panel back on the vehicle. Connect the hose to the T-fitting and try out your ClearVU camera cleaner.